नई सोच है, नई उमंग है, एक लहर है आई। नई सोच है, नई उमंग है, एक लहर है आई। साथ चला चल साथी, साथ चला चल साथी, साथ चला चल साथी, साथ चला चल साथी। आजा हाथ बढ़ा, आजा हाथ बढ़ा, आजा हाथ बढ़ा, आजा हाथ बढ़ा। कुछ नया करे हम, कुछ नया बुने हम, कुछ नया करे हम, कुछ नया बुने हम। कल्पना की डोर को ऊंचा करे हम, कल्पना की डोर को ऊंचा करे हम, ऊंचा करे हम, ऊंचा करे हम। साथ चला चल साथी, साथ चला चल साथी। आजा हाथ बढ़ा, आजा हाथ बढ़ा, आजा हाथ बढ़ा, आजा हाथ बढ़ा।
बच्चों आप लोग वेट करना, मम्मा का डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया, लाइट चले गई उनके।
ओके
मैम आ गई हैं बच्चों वापस।
Anu ma'am, you're speaking on mute.
क्या एंथम चला गया था? एंथम की स्क्रीन नहीं शो कर रही थी?
बीच में आपका लीव हो गया था तो एंथम देन वो भी लीव हो गया था।
ओह, सो आई वाज सिंगिंग एंथम, मुझे पता ही नहीं कब लीव हो गया। मैं तो मस्त होके गा रही हूँ, तभी किरण मैम बोल रहे थे आप म्यूट पे कुछ बोल रहे हो। मैं गा रही थी मैम एंथम, मुझे नहीं पता मैं लीव कब हो गई।
सेम यार, म्यूट करके मैं गाती रहती हूँ साथ साथ।
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन।
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
I think फिर से लाइट चली गई है ना लक्ष्मण?
Yes ma'am, I think उनके पास।
So I think I should start the class because I have permission to share. Okay.
Oh sure ma'am.
So we will utilize the time. So we will do nouns today because words and sentences was almost complete. Okay. So anybody can define a noun? It's very easy.
Ma'am, noun is the name of person, place, things, and animals.
Very simple. See, very good. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go on to next slide. So nouns are simply the names we give to everything around us, whether it's a person, it's an event, a place, object. Every particular name used to define something is a noun. Okay, like here there are English names like Amsterdam, Anita is our Indian name, Blackberry, Honesty, Waiter, all these are nouns. Okay, so if you haven't earlier made a note, you can make a note quickly and then I'll go to next slide. Okay, anybody who has not noted can note it down.
Okay.
And do it quickly, okay? Okay. Kalpana, sweetie, what are you looking for? Pencil, नाखून ठीक कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? कि पढ़ रहे हो? या पढ़ने का मूड बना रहे हो? Anybody who doesn't understand, please ask, because usually I speak Hindi also along with English, ताकि जिसको ना समझ में आ रहा है उसको आ जाए. Okay?
What is the meaning of define?
Define means giving a name, giving some description about something. Suppose I ask you define where do you live. So how will you define? You will give some description, right?
किसी भी चीज के बारे में बताना.
Actually, yeah, that's simple. अगर आपको आपके घर के बारे में बोलूंगी, you will define something, you know, I live in this city, I live in this street. Okay? Yes. So shall I move to next? Done?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
a very, very simple definition, nothing else. Now there are various types of nouns. Okay. Now the very first type is proper noun. Okay, don't write, just understand first. Proper noun means the names of specific people and places. The keyword is specific. Okay, they have to be specific. That means you cannot give a common name to somebody. It is specific. That means you call Qutub Minar, you call Taj Mahal as Taj Mahal. You cannot call any other building as Taj Mahal. Okay. Similarly, if I call somebody's name, let's say Prashansa, she's Prashansa. I cannot call everybody Prashansa. I cannot ever call everybody Sajda. Okay. I cannot give a name, let's say Sanjay to everybody. So they are particular, specific. एक किसी का होता है. These nouns also refer to the names of days of week. Days of week में भी हम गड़बड़ नहीं कर सकते. Tuesday को हम February तो नहीं बोल सकते. Tuesday is Tuesday, right? January is January, February is February. So they are all specific. Similarly, various names for religions, organization, institution, everything, they are specific. They are nouns. Proper nouns basically refer to the names that are specific to that particular noun. These nouns are always capitalized. We use them in capital words. We start them with a capital word. Okay? As they need to be distinct from other nouns. Capital से क्यों करते हैं? Otherwise पूरे sentence में पता ही नहीं चलेगा which is a proper noun. So if I write your name, I will write with a capital letter. If I write name of a place, let's say New Delhi, or let's say Bengal, or let's say Maharashtra, I will write with a capital letter. Okay, got it? So two major things. One is it is specific. Second thing, it is written with a capital letter to make it different from other nouns. Okay. Now you may write it down. And please underline specific and capitalized. Here it's written capitalized. These two words please underline. Yes, any questions?
What is the meaning of basically?
Basically means something which is totally from the root, जो शुरू से होता है basically. Okay. Basically is a adjective from basic word. Okay. Basic means जो बहुत ही जरूरी होता है, बहुत ही शुरू का होता है, basic.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Kalpana.
Yes, Kalpana.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of specific?
Specific, I just told you, in particular means specially जिसका नाम रखा जाता है. Suppose you are there, I call you Kalpana, so it is a specific name assigned to you. सिर्फ आपके लिए नाम है ना ये तो. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, what is the meaning of capitalist?
That also I just explained. That means आप सुन रहे नहीं होते हो जब क्लास होती है. You're not listening. Were you listening? मुझे बताने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा, but you should be attentive in the class, right? Capitalization means making the first alphabet capital. When we write Kalpana, I will write K as capital. That is capitalization. Okay? Have you got the answer, beta?
Yes. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम ये लिखना है.
If you feel you can write, if you don't want to write, it's your wish. आपकी मर्जी है, आपको नोट करना है तो आप कर लीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks. So done. Shall I move to next slide?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Sorry? Not done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. It's not too long. Fatafat likho. Hardly 3 lines it will come in. Now, these are examples of proper nouns. Like William Shakespeare is a name. Like I said, Kalpana is a name, Sanjay is a name, Sajda is a name. So this is also a name, was a playwright. So William Shakespeare, his name will come like, this is called capitalization. Kalpana, please pay attention. Kalpana, are you able to see? This is capitalization. The first alphabet has been capitalized. Proper noun, that is the name of a specific person. Like we said earlier, I'll be visiting New York next month. So New York is a specific name to a city. That's why it is capitalized, right? Proper noun, that is the name of a specific place. If you like, you can write down quickly the examples. Done? Okay, moving to the next slide.
Done, ma'am.
These are more examples. I said like days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all these are proper nouns. Holy Book of Islam is Quran or Quran. So this is again, name of a religious book. So we give it a particular capitalized name. Okay. Islam. Similarly, if it's Hinduism, we'll write H as capital. If it is Parsi, we'll write P as capital. Okay. So that's how we use this. So quickly make a note of these examples if you like. Otherwise, I'll move to next slide. दिव्या put something hard under the notebook, नहीं तो हिलती रहेगी लिखते हुए. और are you okay? उसके नीचे कुछ रख लो नोटबुक के. Okay, guys, moving to the next slide. Next is common nouns. Please understand. Kalpana and Sweetie, ध्यान से सुनना, okay? Because later on, then you ask, what has been already done. So these are the nouns that are used to denote a general category of people, places or things. हिंदी में बोले तो एक झुंड, एक चीजों का ग्रुप, उसके लिए हम common noun यूज करते हैं. Like number of students, जैसे आप सारे students हैं तो हम एक ग्रुप बना देते हैं students, उसको हम common noun बोलते हैं. Similarly, there are teachers, we make it a group of teachers. So teachers is a common noun. Okay. Similarly, we got a group, vegetable sellers. So that is a group, common noun. Fine. So these are the nouns that are used to denote a general category of people. General category means जो एक समान लोग हैं, एक जैसे लोग हैं. Places or things. Okay. They are capitalized only when they are at the beginning of a sentence. जब sentence के शुरू में होंगे तो capital में होंगे, बीच में होंगे तो नहीं होंगे. Have I made it clear? If they are placed at the beginning, they are in capital. If they are placed in the middle, anywhere in the sentence, they are not in capital. Okay? Common nouns don't refer to something specific. Rather, they are a general term used for every noun of a particular kind of type. That means if there are 50 students also, each person out of that group I will call a student. Okay? 50 बच्चों की भी क्लास है तो हर बच्चा एक स्टूडेंट है. So that is a common noun. अगर 1000 पेड़ लगे हुए हैं गार्डन में and everything is a tree, so I will call it a tree. If they are shrubs, I'll call them shrubs. If they are what do you call it, creepers, we call them creepers. So it is a common name given to a group. Have I made it clear? Okay, now please write down. quickly finish it?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'm moving to next slide now.
Ma'am, please wait.
Please, jaldi likho.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Everybody?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Done, ma'am.
Now,
No, ma'am.
okay. Good, beta. Now look at this example. Now we say boys. It's a group of boys. So boys is what? It's a common noun. Cricket is what? It's a name of a game. Okay. So again, it's a common noun or specific noun.
Ma'am, specific names.
Okay, very good. So if it comes in between like this boys, so it will be in small letters. The boys went to play cricket. Okay. If it comes in the beginning like this, both boys and cricket are common nouns as they can refer to any boy or any cricket match. Okay. There is nothing specified by these nouns. So cricket, if you call it a game, it is a specific noun. If you call it many matches happening and all, that is a common noun. Okay. So for now, let's call it a common noun. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry, what is the meaning of?
refer?
Your voice is cracking, beta. Your word is getting lost. कौन सा word बोल रहे हो? Refer.
Yes, ma'am.
रेफर. ओके. रेफर मीन्स किसी चीज की तरफ इशारा करना, पॉइंट करना कि इस चीज के बारे में बात हो रही है इन हिंदी. ओके. Like it says, they can refer to any boy or any cricket match. Okay. That means these now common nouns can refer to any boy, any cricket match. और अगर हमें particular करना है, so we will say the names of the boys like Saurabh, Rakesh, or whatever name, Kamal, whatever is the name of the boy. That will be specific.
Can you teach again?
What do I teach again? क्या समझ में आया बेटा?
Listen. Your voice is not clear.
Even I think your connection has a problem. Even मुझे भी आपकी आवाज break होके आ रही है, दिव्या. Okay, listen again. The boys went to play cricket. So both are common nouns as boys and cricket. It can refer to any boys. कोई भी boys हो सकते हैं. Okay, boys living here, boys living there, boys living somewhere in different place. Any boys. Okay, out of the group. And cricket means any of the cricket match. Suppose there's a match between England and Australia, or there's a match between Pakistan and India. So any match, we call it cricket match, right? Any football match we call football match. Any lawn tennis tournament we call it lawn tennis tournament, right? Any badminton match we call it badminton match. Right? Now you got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to next slide. Now another example, this neighborhood is one of the best in the area. Okay. Neighborhood is a common noun again, as there are innumerable neighbors all over the world. Innumerable means जो count नहीं हो सकते, बहुत सारे neighbors हैं पूरे world में. घर के पास वाला भी neighbor है, country भी country का neighbor है, और आगे शहर के दूसरे लोग भी neighbors हैं. So there are many neighbors. There's a common noun again. So again, quickly note down an example. This is different than previous examples.
Done, ma'am.
Moving to next one.
No, ma'am, please wait.
Who is this? Prashansa. Jaldi karo. Done?
No, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now
ma'am.
there's another example. She was trying to answer her phone while buying coffee. So phone and coffee both are general indicators of the object and the drink. What is the object? Phone. Drink is coffee. So these are again common nouns. Okay. They are general indicators of the object and the drink. So in a sentence, there is an object we said, and there is a subject, right? So object here is what? Phone. And subject is we are trying to answer about the coffee, buying coffee. Done. Should we go to the next?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Sure, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait.
Done, ma'am.
I will start timing the slides.
Done,
फिर
ma'am.
क्या करोगे? फटाफट लिखो.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, please understand first, then write. Okay. Next is abstract noun. Okay. Now, they are the actually names of anything that we cannot perceive through our five senses. Five senses क्या होते हैं हमारे? Touch, smell, see, hear, and taste. These are our five senses. These nouns
Yes,
can
ma'am.
also refer to medical conditions related to the mind and also used to express thoughts. Okay, so these are the simple चीजें ये याद रखना that we cannot perceive these nouns by our 5 senses. मतलब 5 senses हम उसको describe नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so first write down the definition, or I can show you even the example first. Now see the example first. She screamed with great delight. So delight is what? Delight is an abstract noun. आप उसको measure नहीं कर सकते कि उसको कितनी खुशी हुई. Okay, somebody is sad, happy, annoyed. You cannot describe it, right? Delight is an abstract noun as it tells about the state of person's mind. उसके mind की state पता चल रही है that somebody is happy and any actual physical thing. So you call it abstract nouns. ऐसे वाले nouns को हम बोलते हैं abstract noun. Okay, which tells about the state of mind. We cannot define it or feel it with our 5 senses. Now I first write down the definition. What happened?
Yeah.
Shall we move to next?
Please wait. No, ma'am. Please wait.
Okay, okay. Take your time. Done, बच्चों?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, 1 minute, please.
Sure, sure. At least मेरे पूछने से नींद खुल जाती है आधे बच्चों की, है ना? Let me know once you're done.
Ma'am, please wait.
Yes, I'm waiting, beta.
Please wait.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
All right.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
I'm moving to the next slide now, hoping everybody has written. This example you can write first, then I'll show you next.
दीपक, आपको अनम्यूट नहीं करना है, ओके? डन मैम।
Yes. So this is
One
again.
minute. Please wait.
Who is this so late? Somebody writes. Ankita, you is it? आपने लिख लिया
No.
Ankita?
Yes, ma'am. I write it.
Who has not written then? किसने नहीं लिखा? Okay. Anyways, who?
मैंने नहीं लिखा है अभी.
What's the name? I don't see you on my screen. कौन बोल रहा है?
मैम आप ही.
आफरीन. ओके. आफरीन प्लीज थोड़ा जल्दी लिखिए. 2 लाइन लिखने में इतनी देर नहीं लगती है. ओके. क्विकली राइट इट. Done now? Enough time it is. Okay. Next example is his bravery in the war won him a medal. So bravery means veerta in Hindi. Bravery cannot be, felt with your senses, but you understand what is bravery, right? So this is again an abstract noun. Similarly, you can use for more words you can look for, which explain the abstract noun. Okay.
ओके मैम।
इन सब चीजों का you have to take care in day to day life. जब कोई बात करता है, when you are seeing somewhere, when you're reading somewhere, you should be able to note it down, right? Done?
Ma'am, please wait. Yes, ma'am.
Sure, I'm waiting. जल्दी से लिखो.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, those who have done, they should look for 3 more words like this. सोचो और लिखो 3 और words. Words like bravery, delight.
Abstract noun पर.
Yes, abstract noun.
Okay.
सोचो और लिखो. Shall I move to next beta? Done now?
यस मैम।
Now this is again an abstract noun, independent. Okay. One should learn to be as independent as possible. अब हर एक का independent होने का तरीका अलग है. Everybody will have different level of it. Okay. So we call it again an abstract noun. Okay. Done? Should we go to next?
Ma'am, please. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, few more seconds. जल्दी से कर लो जिसने नहीं करा.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
All right.
Done, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Now,
please do.
नहीं करा अभी भी. किसने नहीं करा? प्रशंसा.
Ma'am, Afreen. Done.
Okay, आफरीन जल्दी करो. थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ाओ आफरीन.
I'm done.
Okay. Now, next is countable nouns. Let's see some example first, then I'll come to definition back. Okay. I need to buy 4 new suitcases for my trip. Okay. So suitcases is a countable noun. I can count how many suitcases, right? Can you count your hair on your head? No, you cannot, right? So that is not a countable noun. Okay. If I ask you to count, let's say how many grass plants are there in the ground, can you count? No, you cannot count. So grass is not countable. How many clouds in the sky? You cannot count the clouds. So not countable. Okay. But if I tell you how many pencils are there in your bag, you know how to count, right? How many blue colored dresses you have, you can count. How many notebooks you have in your bag, that you can count, correct? So examples of countable are like suitcases, glasses, pencils, pens, bowls, biscuits, all these you can count. Okay. And we use S to make it a countable noun at the end. Suitcases. Okay. So there is an S. Now, hang on 1 minute. Does anyone want some oranges? So some is used to count the oranges. So orange is a countable noun. Apples is a countable noun. Banana is a countable noun. Okay. So these are examples of countable noun. She had a pet dog. So one dog, you can count them. Again, a countable noun. Okay. So something which you can count is a countable noun. Now you can write down the definition. Now whether they are singular or plural, but you can count. So that is countable. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I think. Ma'am, please show the screen.
On screen.
Right page, ma'am.
Slide is
Ma'am,
changed.
it is previous.
Ma'am, this is the previous slide.
Countable noun.
Yeah, moving. Just 1 minute. My hand has touched the laptop and it's moving on its own. Okay. Please write it down. Ankita, kahan busy ho? What are you trying to do? Done?
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am, please.
Sure.
Done, ma'am.
Those who have written can underline,
Ma'am, please wait.
both singular and plural.
Yes, ma'am.
Some people are still writing, so please wait for a few more seconds. So if you are using words like few, some, many with countable nouns, ensure they are countable. Okay, don't write some feelings, few tears. Don't write that, okay? It can be few pencils, it can be some suitcases, it can be few almirahs. Fine, which is countable. Okay, so should we go to the next slide?
Ma'am,
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Now who is left can copy, or increase the speed. So write down the example now. अंकिता गाना गा रहे हो? Okay. You're reading.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I am reading this sentence.
Right. Okay, very good.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Another example on the screen.
Ma'am, please wait.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
New example on the screen.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Finish.
ma'am.
Anjum, done? Yeah. Okay. Done? तो अभी तक तो आप घूम रहे थे क्यों? ओके.
Ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Now we are going to talk opposite of what we spoke. We spoke about countable nouns. Okay. So this is uncountable nouns, right? Now we say the furniture was damaged in moving out. So furniture is not countable. It can be one furniture, it can be two, it can be 10 different types. Okay. So we call it furniture. Just understand first. Is 25 grams of sugar enough? So sugar is uncountable now because we cannot count the granules of the sugar. एक एक दाना तो नहीं गिनेंगे ना. It can only be weighed. उसको तोल सकते हैं but count नहीं कर सकते. Right? Similarly, he always answers questions with honesty. So can we measure honesty? Honesty को count कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते. Honesty, happiness, sorrow, we can never count it. Okay? We can just feel it.
Straightforward.
Yeah, we can just feel it, right? So now you can first write the definition and then the examples. Now just understand again, these nouns are the exact opposite of countable nouns. These nouns are the names of things that cannot be counted and have only a singular form. Furniture को furniture ही बोलते हैं, furnitures नहीं होता है. Okay? So they are singular in verb. Okay? So first write down the definition.
Ma'am, done.
1 minute.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, please 1 minute.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Hang on for a minute. अभी आगे दूसरा slide. Please wait. So done, everyone?
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
First example you can write down.
The furniture was damaged.
You don't have to speak while writing, and if you are, please mute.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait.
Yes, waiting, quickly do it.
Done, ma'am.
Please wait for others for a minute.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
It was not coming because I was not speaking. Hang on for a minute. Next slide I'm showing.
लक्ष्मण सर कैसे आ गए सामने?
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm just resharing. Lakshman sir came because my PPT went on for a toss. So give me a moment. Sorry about it.
No issues, ma'am.
दीपक आप अपने आप को म्यूट करके रखें, मैंने पहले भी बोला था आपको।
बेटा आप म्यूट करके रखें वरना डिस्टरबेंस होता है, बीच बीच में आवाज कट जाती है बच्चा।
हाँ
आज तो मैं वीडियो नहीं ऑन कर पा रही हूँ, मेरे यहाँ इतना नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है जबकि वाईफाई।
पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है मैम, बहुत सारे लोगों को हो रहा है ये, बिकॉज ऑफ आई डोंट नो लोड ऑन नेट और व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, आई डोंट नो, बहुत सारे लोगों को हो रहा है।
मैम बिकॉज हम लोग की तरफ बहुत बारिश हो रहा है ना।
बारिश यहाँ तो नहीं हो रही है।
मस्ट बी बहुत जोर की हो रही है।
Yeah, must be at your place it must be, but here it's not raining much. कल थी बारिश, आज तो नहीं है। So I'm just coming back with the PPT. Just 1 second. Let me take you to the place where you were. Okay, we were here at the sugar, right? Now quickly write down this example. Yeah.
No, ma'am, we not a sugar.
यही तो कर रहे थे ना? Uncountable nouns. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I showed this example, right?
Yes,
Then I
ma'am.
showed this example, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For Afreen, I've got a small suggestion if you don't mind. Afreen, सुन पा रहे हैं आप?
Yes, ma'am.
आफरीन, इफ यू क्लिप योर हेयर्स, अगर बालों को थोड़ा क्लिप करेंगे तो आपका टाइम बचेगा, जो बीच बीच में आपका लिखना छूट जाता है. जुल्फे जरा अपनी बंद करके रखिए, उनको क्लिप करके. एवरीबडी, इट्स फॉर एवरीबडी. यू आर ऑल
मैम
स्टूडेंट्स.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
आई सेड योर कंसंट्रेशन शुड बी ऑन स्टडी. तो जरा बालों को और क्लिप्स को और दुपट्टों को जरा छोड़ के पढ़ाई कर लेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. करेक्ट? So ensure your all concentration is on study. क्लास के बाद अपने खोल लो, जो भी जुल्फे उल्फे खोल के घूमना है. Doesn't matter to me. Okay, great.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम आपकी आवाज आ रही नहीं है.
पता नहीं क्यों नहीं आ रही आपके नेटवर्क में, बाकी सबको तो आ रही है.
इसको नहीं आ रही है.
विनेश एंड अंजुम.
विनेश, अंजुम, आपको नहीं आ रही आवाज?
मैम मेरे को नहीं आ रही. हुजैफा.
हुजैफा, आप YouTube से जाओ और बीच में डिस्टर्ब नहीं करो, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
YouTube से कर लो, अगर यहाँ से नहीं आ रही है तो बीच में बेटा डिस्टर्ब नहीं करो.
मैम
Okay, this is the next example. We are talking of feelings, honesty, happiness, sadness. Okay. जिसका मिस हो गया एक दूसरे से कॉपी करो, 2-4 बार कॉपी करना पड़ेगा तो स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Let everybody finish. Few more seconds.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay.
मैम डन.
अच्छा, ओके, यू कैन राइट डाउन. डोंट स्पीक नाउ, डोंट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. मुझे फिर परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी आप लोगों की.
Now next is collective noun. Okay. I already explained collective noun means a group which we can address collectively. इकट्ठा जिसको हम किसी नाम से बुला सकते हैं. Okay. Now don't write. Please see the examples. Collective nouns are commonly used under the category of people, like a class of students. Common है. An army of soldiers. Soldiers are common. A choir of singers. Singers are common. जो group में गाना गाते हैं. A crew of sailors. जो sailors ship में रहते हैं उनका पूरा झुंड. A band of musicians. अंकिता खेलना बंद करके सुन लो बच्चा. A bunch of crooks. A gang of thieves. A group of dancers. So all these are basically groups. Okay, and we are giving them a commonly used name, right? So that is a collective noun example. Another example is commonly used under the category of people is, let's say, crowd of people, spectators, a troupe of artists or dancers, an audience of listeners, a staff of employees, a regiment of soldiers. So people who have everything in common, they are from the same group. Okay, so that is a collective noun. A tribe of natives, an audience of listeners, a panel of experts, a gang of laborers, a flock of tourists, a board of directors. All these are commonly used nouns under category of people. That means people are related to these groups. लोगों का होना जरूरी है. Fine. So these are the 3 examples. There are more, like, for animals, a catch of fish, an army of ants. For the animals also we use the same collective nouns. Okay. These are more examples of animals. right? Again, more examples of animals. So there are so many examples of collective nouns, right? Let's go back to the definition and see what does the definition talk about this. Collective noun is the name we give to a group of nouns. Group of nouns. इसको underline करना लिखते हुए. To refer to them as one entity. One entity means जो एक ही चीज होते हैं, एक ही group होते हैं. The most common method of doing this is by using words like group, bunch, that can be applicable to most of the nouns in the language today. Okay, bunch of people, group of people. But there are some specific names given for certain groups of nouns to make things more interesting and meaningful, like herd, catch of fish. So these are all the specific names given, right? First write down the definition, then we'll move to examples. And slow writers, please catch up with the speed, okay? थोड़ा एक्टिव होके लिखें जरा, और ठीक लिखें, गलत नहीं लिखें.
Ma'am, done.
Has everyone finished writing?
Ma'am, please.
No,
wait.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Ankita. Please wait for others, okay? In the meantime, you can underline the important words like, group of nouns, one entity, okay? Common method, using words like group, bunch. All this you can underline. Specific names given, like here is given, specific names.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of entity?
Entity means, what we say in Hindi, refer to them in one entity means कि एक चीज, एक single चीज की तरह उसको देखने के लिए we give them group, we give that group a name. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Should we move to next slide if you're done?
राहुल, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Ma'am, please wait.
Sure. आफरीन, आप कितने अच्छे लग रहे हो, बार बार डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो रहे हो लिखने में, है ना? वेरी नाइस।
I'm done.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Enough time. First, quickly write down. फटाफट लिखो. I'm moving to next slide then, examples.
कौन कंजाम कर ले कहीं से।
Sorry? Okay, moving to next slide now. Quickly write the examples exactly the way it is written in boxes. Okay? Or you can draw the box later on. First, write down the examples. Here, the main word is category of people. So, underline category of people.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Those who have done, please underline the words class, army, choir, crew, band, bunch, gang, group, team, and pack. Okay? These are the words used for groups.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So I show the next example now.
Yes, ma'am. Please wait.
जल्दी करो. Vinish and Anjum, at least don't sleep on the screen, you know, it goes all in recording. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपको, थोड़े दिन बाद आप देखेंगे अपना ये रिकॉर्डिंग, उसमें आप सो रहे हैं.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good. So please have a look at next example now. छूट गया तो दूसरे से कॉपी करना. This is it. Here underline the words crowd, troop, audience, staff, regiment.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please पीछे कर दो.
Why? Who is
Ma'am,
this?
please पीछे करिए.
Who is this?
Ma'am, please पीछे कर दीजिए.
I'm also asking something. Is it Divya? Divya, आप बोल रहे हो? Ankita, your instrument is making lot of noise. कुछ creaky sound आ रही है. Please keep yourself mute. Yes, कौन बोल रहा है बेटा?
Ma'am,
आफरीन. आफरीन, आप सबके साथ क्यों नहीं लिखते हैं? जल्दी पूरा करिए.
मैम पीछे कर दो प्लीज.
Do you see the screen? पीछे हो गया कि नहीं?
मैम मेरा भी नहीं हुआ.
मैम ये वाला मेरा हो गया, इसके बाद वाला.
Okay, is this fine?
मैम मेरा नहीं हुआ.
Whatever it is, now please do from here. पीछे वाला आप कॉपी करिएगा किसी से. उसका स्क्रीनशॉट मंगा के कॉपी करिएगा. Or you can even see from the YouTube also.
Ma'am, done. Done.
Okay. जल्दी लिखो. Done? Vinish, be quick. Be quick.
मैम डन.
Okay. I'll move to the next slide. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Great. 1 second.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, I think, yeah, I think we should stop here. We are done till here, right? Till here, correct?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
This one you have to do. Abhi karna hai ye wala, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will continue from here in the next class, right? Slide number 28. I will remember, don't worry. Okay. Now I've got a small homework for you guys, right? And what is that homework? What you have to do is you all have to prepare a speech about yourself. Okay, in the next class, speech about yourself means you have to say what suppose if I will show you example. If I have to speak about myself, okay, how will I speak is I will say Kiran is a person who is so many years old, okay, who is studying this and who likes to do all these things whatever I like, and who does not like this, okay, and my aspiration in life is to become a doctor or a scientist or a teacher or a social worker whatsoever, okay. So you have to put your aspiration, tell about yourself, and it should be not more than a minute. 1 minute से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, so that everybody gets a chance to speak, okay. And nobody will be spared. I will just give a name and speak. Yes.
Ma'am, I am.
Yes.
मैम हम लोग को अपना हॉबी के बारे में स्पीच देना है.
You have to tell about yourself.
ओके मैम.
I'm giving an example कि क्या
पूरा
क्या.
सुना करो, बोलना शुरू हो जाते, पूरा सुनते नहीं हो, क्वेश्चंस इतने हो जाते हैं तुम लोगों से.
Okay.
तो सही मैम क्या कह रही है?
You have to speak about yourself. Now in the speech or in the talk, whatever you do, you have to use nouns, various nouns. Okay. Particular noun will be your name, your place where you live. Then there'll be group nouns like, you got friends who are in this class or who are doing this. So try to use nouns in that and try to use specific nouns or collective noun. Okay. And practice this in front of a mirror first before you speak in the class. Okay. I don't want people to be, shying away and speaking. Be confident and speak. And how will that happen? पहले आप mirror में practice करके आएंगे. Okay. And everybody gets 1 minute to speak. Fine? Yes. Yes,
My name is Abu Said. I am 13 years old. Reading class.
अभी नहीं बोलना. I'm sorry to disturb you. कल करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Today I'm telling you कि tomorrow we will do this exercise. Is it all right with everybody?
हम क्लास का टाइमिंग यही रहेगा ना?
हाँ जी.
Okay, ma'am.
And I hope I'll not and Anu ma'am will not have to run behind
कल
you.
नहीं, next Saturday. Next Saturday.
Sorry. मेरे लिए कल is next Saturday.
हाँ.
Okay.
Every Saturday 4:30 is your class.
Fine. So next Saturday you have to prepare for this. ठीक है? And everybody has to speak. There is no excuse. जो नहीं बोलेगा फिर वो next class में नहीं आएगा.
Ma'am, I have something to tell you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
There were two students. Where are they right now? I'm not able to find out them. Sajjad and Sanjay.
Yes.
So
Okay.
Sajjad and Sanjay are in BBA now.
Okay, very good. Very
Yeah.
good.
So
Congrats.
I really want something a little harder for them so they can think more about the topic.
Okay.
Right now, I think they are not there. Maybe from the YouTube they will join, or I'll let them know. Or Lakshman, तुम बता देना.
हाँ, उनको बोल दो my aspiration in life.
Okay. So, ma'am, I really want them to speak in every class.
Yes.
क्योंकि वो अगर बोलेंगे नहीं तो उनका उतना अच्छा होगा नहीं communication.
Correct.
उनको communication में ज़्यादा perfect होना है because they will be in the college and job के लिए सबके लिए.
Yes. So, if not in every class, alternate class, we'll have this session. Sorry.
दीपक आप क्या कह रहे हैं? दीपक बोलिए क्या कह रहे हैं?
मोबाइल बीत गया है.
मोबाइल
भीग गया है या क्या हो गया? क्या कह रहे हैं बेटा आप लीव करना
मोबाइल
चाहते हैं?
चार्ज नहीं है.
हाँ तो लीव कर दीजिए. आप बीच में बोलना नहीं होता बच्चा, डिस्टरबेंस होता है. आप लिख कर बता सकते हैं. ठीक है, आप लीव कर दीजिए.
Okay, so this is what is the exercise you have got for the coming week. Okay, everybody. And don't tell me कि अभी हुआ नहीं है या Google से चिपका के ले आए कहीं से. Don't do that, please. Let it be original. खुद से करोगे तो आपका फायदा होगा बेटा, हमारा कोई फायदा नहीं होगा उसमें. Right?
इसमें कोई एलिमेंट ऐसा डाल सकते हैं मैम जिसमें ये अपना खुद का लिखें कुछ ऐसा और कुछ चीज, क्योंकि माय नेम इज दिस आई स्टडी इन दिस दिस ईयर ओल्ड. ये थोड़ा सा ना इनका, क्योंकि ये लोग बहुत रट चुके हैं इस चीज को.
Okay, tell about your parents. What do your parents do, irrespective of what do they do? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Everything is hard work. जो भी वो करते हैं and how you are helping them, you know, by studying. या जो भी अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए कर रहे हो वो भी लिख सकते हो. That will be particular to everybody. वो common नहीं है.
Right. So about yourself and what you do, how old are you, what are your hobbies,
Yes.
how you pass your